Well, tonight, a advocacy group that helps root out abuse and neglect says a bill at the State House is threatening their authority.
But a parent group with children with disabilities argues more oversight of Disability Rights Ohio is needed. Here's Chief Investigative Reporter Bennett Haverly.
Disability Rights Ohio is a nonprofit that says it has the blessing of the federal government to go into facilities, look for abuse and neglect, and inform individuals with disabilities of their rights. But a bill being considered here at the State House, they claim, would threaten their ability to investigate and act with autonomy.
That's what it sounds like. Every 2 years, they're going to, the exact language is examine the activities of the Protection Advocacy Program. And that's very alarming to us, especially because it's our understanding from Senator Romanchuk, who's pushing this amendment, that one of the activities that he's unhappy with is our ability to go in and speak privately and confidentially with people with developmental disabilities who have guardians. Kirsten
Schoberg with Disability Rights Ohio is opposed to the measure that's being considered. It calls for creating a committee of lawmakers to review the activity of Disability Rights Ohio. Schoberg says her group is federally funded and needs the ability to talk to individuals with complete autonomy. Last spring, DRO released its findings into Sequel Pomegranate, which mirrored much of what 10 Investigates had uncovered, that children at the facility were being placed in painful restraint holds, and that both staff and the children there were being injured. But a parent group says DRO's investigations at other facilities have been cause for concern, telling adults with disabilities that they can live outside a facility. One parent called that an overreach of what parents, guardians, and in some cases a court has decided is best for that individual.
DROs inserting themselves between a parent and a child, between a guardian and their ward, and trying to encourage the ward to go against what the guardian has decided is best for that individual. That is not investigating abuse and neglect. What that is doing is literally interfering in the private decisions of Ohioans.
Now, this bill that would call for a recurring review of Disability Rights Ohio's activities is being considered right now in the conference committee. No word on when that measure could be hammered out. If it's passed, Schoberg says she'll ask Governor DeWine for a line-item veto. Reporting at the State House, Bennett Haverly, 10 TV News.
Senator Mark Romanchuk, who is in favor of the measure, sent 10 Investigates a statement that reads in part that families need to know their voice matters, and that's what we are providing, a way to make sure their voices are heard.